welcome to your Elite Weather Forecast. My name is Dooley Godot, your meteorologist. And yes, we are going to talk about the weather forecast coming up for the next 3 days. And I hope everybody's having a great weekend out there and that you're going to be ready for your work week. I'm going to make sure I'll get you ready for the work week and let you know exactly what to expect as you head out the door to go to work. And maybe some people might be still in school and you see a lot of stuff going on in the background here. Our city of the day is going to be Miami, Florida, because yesterday they had a pretty traumatic day out there as the tropical storm came through, or Alex as it is now, because now it's officially a tropical storm, even though it's out over the Atlantic now. But when it came through Miami yesterday, it was just a hair underneath being able to be even a tropical depression. So it was just tropical system 1 or whatever they named it. It was tropical depression thingy. It was just under the threshold to be a tropical depression, as the winds were about 20-25 miles per hour. And I think it has to be like 30 for it to be a tropical depression and 40 for a tropical storm. So it was just under that, but it had a lot of rain. Boy, they saw a lot of rain down there in Florida. It's all gone now. All the flood waters have receded. They saw flooding in downtown Miami yesterday. Wow, it was just unbelievable. And we're going to show you a video of some of that flooding later on in this video. So before we continue, leave your likes, your comments, and you can subscribe to the channel right here. Or in the comment section, let me know what city you're in where you watch this video. So leave your city and state in the comment section, and I'll shout you guys out in a future video, and I'll use your city as a city of the day in the future video. So I will have my wife picking up states for the city of the day, and you guys can also help pick the city of the day. So our city of the day is Miami, Florida, and we are looking at some of the traffic cams. Boy, they got some really nice traffic cams down there in Miami, don't they? We're seeing I-395 and North Miami Avenue. The funny thing is I know where this is because I used to live in Miami way back in the 90s. Back about 20 years ago, I used to live down in South Florida. Believe it or not, I was a radio DJ at 99 Jams WEDR. Yes, back in the day, I was a radio DJ. Yes, my background does involve being a radio DJ, and I was a radio DJ at different stations all over the country. Yes, I lived in Dallas, Tulsa, the Twin Cities, Tucson. Yes, your boy got many talents here. So, all right, so let's keep it pushing with our weather forecast. That tropical depression, storm thing, whatever they went through is a distant memory now. All the water is gone, so everything's looking great. A beautiful day out there across South Florida. You do have a chance for showers and some scattered thunderstorms this afternoon, but as we can look at the skies right now, everything's looking A-okay down there in Miami. Beautiful day out there. Look how blue those skies are. Isn't it funny how when a storm comes through and the next day or after the storm, how blue the skies get? It clears out all that smog and dirtiness in the air when the storms pass through. So they cleanse the air. It's a very beautiful thing out there. So now let's talk about our national radar. So we're going to take a look at the radar and show you all the different areas. So we're seeing a lot of showers and storms out across many parts of the country this afternoon, and we're going to take a quick peek at that. Here we are taking a look at the national radar, and you can see a lot of precipitation out there from the southern plains all the way through the high plains and the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest here. So we got this big area of showers and thunderstorms down here in Oklahoma. Just to the east of Oklahoma City, you're seeing a lot of showers and some storms out that way, but nothing is severe with this activity. And we got a lot of cloud cover and some more showers and storms here through Kansas Kansas into Nebraska as well. North central Nebraska got some showers and thunderstorms just to the west of Omaha here. So you guys are going to be getting some of those showers and storms later today, as well as through South Dakota. North Dakota seeing some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. We got some showers here across southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, through Wisconsin, Michigan as well. Some showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be headed on over toward the northeast here. So New York, Buffalo, New York, you guys might be picking up a shower or storm this afternoon as well. Pittsburgh too, you might pick up a shower from that activity, and that is going to extend. This shower activity is going to extend through the northern plains and over into the Pacific Northwest, where we're seeing some showers here in Montana, the big national park out there, the Glacier National Park in northwestern Montana. You're going to be seeing some showers as well from this activity, and through Idaho, we got some showers. Through parts of Nevada, Northern California as well, is picking up some showers. Oregon and Washington is seeing a few showers down here. Down here across the Gulf Coast, we got some showers and thunderstorms that's going to be developing this afternoon. More tropical moisture down there, down through Florida, over the Everglades especially. Here is Tropical Storm Alex right now that's out over the Atlantic. It's only going to probably affect Bermuda out here, and maybe some of the interests here in the Bahamas and Bermuda. You guys are going to probably be getting affected there pretty quick by Tropical Storm Alex as it moves out towards the open waters of the Atlantic. That is a look at the national radar. Now it's time for your weather today. All right, here we go with your weather today, and we can take a look at some things going on across America right now. And here is our watches and hazards from the National Weather Service. We have our heat advisory in place here across southern Texas, so we're seeing a lot of heat down here for these folks down there, as those temperatures are in the low central triple digits there, 104, 105 respectively, like in San Angelo here and Lubbock. We're seeing a lot of heat down here, and we're also seeing some flooding across here in the northern Pacific Northwest here. We're seeing some flooding as well through Oregon and Washington there, as they're starting to pick up on the amount of rainfall that they're getting, as well as snow melt in the Cascades and the Northern Rockies, as some of that snow is starting to melt and the Columbia River is starting to run high. So we're starting to see some flooding issues out there across the Pacific Northwest. Nothing going on out east, down south here through Florida. No severe weather is expected. No flooding expected today. Pretty nice out, quiet out west. No red flags in this weather forecast right now either. That's great news as well to see that we do not have any red flag situations in the country right now. So, a lot of interesting weather took place over the last couple of days. I wasn't here yesterday because I had a lot of things to do and didn't have time to make a video yesterday. So my apologies for that. I know you guys have gotten used to seeing a video from me every single day. I'll try to keep that going, but sometimes life happens. But here I am back with you again. So we're going to take a quick look at some of the Florida flooding that took place across South Florida.
31 transporting doctors.
You guys, I can touch the water right now. You see this? I can touch the water. This is crazy.
From that tropical depression / storm, the tropical storm 1 or tropical storm, that official, I don't know, it's very convoluted. I'm not going to bore you guys with that right now, but right now we're going to move on to our national forecast here, and we do have a big area of some severe weather that we're going to talk about here today, and it's across the Central Plains, central to northern plains here through Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma. So Oklahoma City, Wichita, Kansas City as well. You guys are going to be in the line, as well as maybe close to Omaha there. You might be seeing some severe weather today. We might pick up a derecho here across the Central Plains this afternoon as well, and that could pack winds in excess of 80 miles per hour, 2-inch diameter hail, and torrential rainfall, as we do have flash flooding possible concerns here across the Central Plains into Missouri this afternoon. You will be seeing that severe thunderstorm activity across the Central Plains today. In fact, this is going to be the focus for severe weather for the majority of this week, all the way through Thursday. So we're going to take these showers and storms and extend them into the Great Lakes toward the northeast there. We're going to be seeing some non-severe showers and storms here because of this cold front right here with a little area of low pressure there over Lake Superior. So we're going to see showers into southern Minnesota and along this frontal boundary to the northeast there. More showers down here along the Gulf Coast and into Florida. You're going to see some heavy thunderstorms down there as well. And these showers and storms are going to extend across the high plains and into Montana. The Pacific Northwest into the Cascades there is going to pick up some showers and some thunderstorms as well. We'll see a few rain showers here in Northern California. California desperately needs rainfall in any way that can get it. So we'll see that as well for your Sunday afternoon. Nice weather across the Southwest and the deserts down here through Phoenix and over to LA. We're going to see nice warm temperatures in the 80s down in Southern California, but you will see those triple digits out in the deserts. Arizona down into southern New Mexico, Deming, Lordsburg, down here towards El Paso as well. You're going to see those temperatures in the low triple digits down through South Texas, down toward the Gulf of Mexico there. Brownsville, Texas, you're going to be in the upper 90s today. Beautiful weather down there across Texas, just hot and humid. You'll also see nice weather and comfortable temperatures here across the northeast, as you have this cold front that just moved through that's going to help to keep things a little bit cooler down there across the northeast before you guys start to see some showers move your way later on in the week. Nice weather will be also present here across the Appalachian Mountain Range and the Piedmont area through the Carolinas. You guys are going to see a nice afternoon as well. So Atlanta, Nashville, Charlotte, you guys are going to have a good day today and nice temperatures out there in the 80s, maybe lower 90s down here toward the southern fringes of the Appalachian Mountain Range in the Mississippi Valley. But overall, a nice day for you folks on the East Coast there, with the exception of South Florida and the Gulf Coast. All right, here we are for your Monday. So your Monday, we have a small area of severe weather to focus on here, and it's going to be in western Canada and northwestern Oklahoma, I should say. So we're going to see some large hail and damaging winds. Tornado threat is going to be low this go around with this rounds of severe weather that we're going to see this week. Not too much worry about tornadoes there, but will be possible, but it's not going to be the primary threat. It's going to be that damaging winds. It's going to be your primary threat with some of these thunderstorms. And then we have this weather system here that's going to help to spread some showers and embedded thunderstorms through toward the northeast, through the Great Lakes and the Midwest for the most part. A good chunk of the Midwest here. So we got the Corn Belt here that we're going to be seeing a lot of thunderstorms for your Monday afternoon. The Northeast is going to be dry for the most part along the coastal sections, and the big cities going to see dry weather for your Monday down through toward the Southeast and the northern and Appalachian Mountains. You're going to see nice weather. You might see a thunderstorm on the western side of the Appalachian, but the eastern side is going to be nice. We'll see some more showers and storms down here along the Gulf Coast of Florida, as well as the Florida Peninsula, could see some showers and storms. A storm is also possible down there near Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. You guys too, Savannah, could see an afternoon thunderstorm for your Monday. Dry weather here across the desert Southwest. Up into the Pacific Northwest, you finally get a dry day for your Monday out there. Maybe a little shower here in Central Oregon, but nothing too much to worry about with that. So very nice weather here across the Southwest with your typical June heat down here from Phoenix, Tucson, down into the California deserts there. Las Vegas too is starting to reach those triple digits as well. All right, here we are for your Tuesday. So for your Tuesday, again, that area of severe weather here across western Kansas and the Oklahoma Panhandle, maybe far northern Texas here. The Texas Panhandle might see the potential for some severe weather for your Tuesday. Large hail and some damaging wind is going to be the primary threat with those storms as well, and maybe some heavy rainfall. We'll see showers and storms through the entirety of the plain states here for your Tuesday, and that's going to extend up to the Canadian border. In the state of Montana there, we're going to see those showers and thunderstorms. Minnesota, maybe the Twin Cities, might see a shot at a thunderstorm for your Tuesday, but nothing severe, nothing too heavy. A lot of this activity is very scattered to isolated, so nothing too much to fear out there, as we're going to see some garden variety thunderstorms, and thunderstorms come with this natural inherent dangers from lightning and maybe some rainfall, flooding, and things like that, but nothing as far as organized severe weather is concerned. Now, the Northeast gets in on some of that severe weather, not severe weather, I should say, but showers and storms, as we got a warm front now here moving to the Northeast, and we're going to have this cold front pushing toward the east there, so showers and storms are going to spread all the way from Maine down through the Carolinas, Tennessee, and Kentucky, and far northern Mississippi and Alabama and Georgia might see the chance of a shower and thunderstorm for your Tuesday afternoon. But dry weather along the Gulf Coast, only South Florida could see a shower or storm for your Tuesday down there, and we'll see nice weather conditions here across the Southern California and the desert Southwest. We'll see some nice weather conditions extending up into the Pacific Northwest there and the Northern Rockies. Maybe a few showers there in the Cascades, but overall, much better weather conditions there across the Pacific Northwest. Now let's take a look at our severe weather forecast. We'll make this quick since we covered a lot of the severe weather already. And here's where we're talking about. We're going to see that enhanced area of severe weather here through the Central Plains today. And this is where we can see our derecho develop this afternoon. So we got to keep our eyes out for the potential for a very large thunderstorm complex to develop in this area and track off to the east northeast there with those 80 plus mile per hour winds. We can see some more possibility of some severe storms here across the northern Rockies through parts of Oregon and Idaho and Montana there. We can see some more isolated severe. The dark green is more isolated severe storms here, and the light green are our non-severe thunderstorms, as you can see there down through the southeast into Florida. The Great Lakes area could see some non-severe thunderstorms as well as across the high plains. Here we are for your Monday. Now we got to see our slight risk for severe weather here across southwestern Kansas, parts of Colorado, Oklahoma, and North Texas as well. We're going to see that marginal risk for our isolated severe storms through the Midwest here, through Illinois, Indiana, through parts of western Kentucky, western Tennessee. We got southern Missouri, northern Arkansas, southern Kansas, into western New Mexico, southwestern South Dakota, southern Montana, northeastern Wyoming here, eastern Colorado, North Texas, northeastern New Mexico. So a lot of states are going to be affected by this potential for severe weather for your Monday. But we'll see non-severe thunderstorms through Montana up to the Canadian border, over to the Great Lakes, down to the Gulf Coast, the southeast through Florida, we can see some non-severe thunderstorms. Typical summer stuff out there, all right, folks? All right, here we go for your Tuesday. We get this area again for some severe weather. It's going to stay camped out in this area for the most part this week. So we got southwestern Kansas, southeastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, North Texas, western Oklahoma, southwestern New Mexico, southwestern Nebraska, central Kansas, central and east Oklahoma, northern Arkansas, southwestern Missouri, western Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky. Going to be seeing that isolated severe weather for your Tuesday. Non-severe storms down through Florida, along the far southeast coast, through the Great Lakes, and the mid-Atlantic states as well. We can see some non-severe thunderstorms. So New York City, DC, Baltimore, Philadelphia, you guys can pick up an afternoon shower or storm for your Tuesday. That is a look at our severe weather. Now let's talk about the tropics. So here is Tropical Storm Alex. That's just to the west of Bermuda here. It's going to be having sustained winds of about 50 miles per hour. So it's a minimal tropical storm, but it's going to continue on off to the east-northeast. It's going to continue to strengthen as it moves off to the east-northeast. It might reach Category 1 hurricane strength out here over the open waters of the Atlantic. So it's only going to be an issue for shipping interest, with the exception of it could strike Bermuda there out here, so it could hit Bermuda or affect Bermuda. So if you're vacationing or planning to vacation, you might want to check with the resorts or hotels or the airlines and see what the status of your reservations and the flights are. So, but for the most part, things are much quieter here across the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. We're seeing some showers and storms along the coast here as we got a lot of tropical moisture in place, but nothing is organizing right now, so we might get a little bit of a reprieve from the tropical activity down here across the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. As we take a look at the Pacific, nothing going on but the rent. Only here we got the intertropical convergence zone thunderstorms. Nothing looks interesting right now. Nothing is forming down here. We don't have any clusters of storms or anything to speak of for that matter. Maybe a little piece of something here, right here, might need to be watched in the next coming days. But as of right now, nothing too much going on down there across the tropics for your Monday, okay? For your Sunday. All right, that was a look at your weather forecast for the next few days here. My name is Dooley Goodall. Thanks for watching. Leave your likes. Remember your comments. Let me know what city and state you're watching this video from, and I will try to use your city as one of the city of the day. So, all right. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Have a good rest of your weekend, and I hope you have a good start to your work week. All right. Thank you.